You see how like the steering wheel is left and right because we're going slower? So like left is left and right is right. So when we go faster, it's going to be the opposite.
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We'll go a little bit faster there. So I can kind of show you the counter steering and see how you feel, okay?
Gotcha.
Speed bump. All right. Are you ready?
Yep, let's go.
And then now you'll see I turned right and it's going left. You see that?
Yeah.
I turned it to the right, it went left. Because now it's opposite.